Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only not loading in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open your Snapchat My Eyes Only photos, you see an error that your My Eyes Only photos are not loading. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing is that you just have to simply open your Snapchat app. Just tap on your profile option in the top right. Then tap on settings, the gear icon in the top right. And here just scroll down and you'll see the option of clear data. Just select that and then select clear cache, and you just need to clear cache of your Snapchat app first. So once you have cleared cache, you just have to also try to update your app. So open your app store and play store. Here you have to go for search and simply search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. There's no any pending update for your Snapchat app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, your problem must start to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to try to connect with a different network connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, so you have to try to switch to your cellular or try to switch between your cellular and Wi-Fi data. You can also check for your VPN connection. If you are connected to any VPN, just simply try to disconnect with that. And once you have disconnected your VPN, you have to go back and relaunch your Snapchat app and to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so just tap on your profile option in the top left, tap on settings icon in the top right, just scroll down and tap on clear data again and re-clear cache for your Snapchat app. After that, you have to simply go to settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage here, and just look for Snapchat app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app because sometimes it might be that there will be any bug or any malware into your Snapchat app just due to you are facing the issue. So you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app. It will clear all the cache files and all malwares from your Snapchat app, so your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, there's the only way. Just open your Snapchat app, tap on your profile option in the top left, then tap on settings icon in the top right. Scroll down and look for help center. Here's the help center. Just select that, and here just wait for this loading. And here you just have to look for the option of contact us. Just tap on this contact us option, and here just look for any option relating to your issue. So I'm going to select this one. I need help with the Snapchat feature. Just select it, and here just scroll down and you will see different options. So let's say I'm gonna select, I forgot my eyes on the passcode, but so just select this option here, and here just select any option, and you will get a different sequence. You just have to try to reset your Snapchat my eyes only passcode, or you can also try to reset your password with delete all snaps, so it will fix your issue and it will start loading your Snapchat miles only photos. So in this way your issue must have to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.